guys, it's me Ariana, and today I'm in charge of making dinner. So I'm making my favorite goofy dogs, and what you need to make goofy dogs is sausages, but you need them cut, so maybe let a grown-up do it, and crust, and cheese, and I just have oil and a pan under it. So first thing we're going to do is open it. Now that I have the wrapping off, I just have to twist it so it opens. Okay. Now next thing we want to do is unroll it and break these into triangles. So what I'm going to do is turn it over. Next step is just you're going to take one of the triangles and put it down. Next thing you want to do is take a slice of cheese and put it on the crust. Next thing you're going to want to do is take a sausage and put it at the end of the cheese. Now that I have everything on the crust, I'm going to roll it up. Now that we got it all rolled up, we're going to put it on the tray and repeat. Okay. Now that it's almost dinner time, I'm going to need some help. Oh, history teacher!
Here I come. All right, let's do it. What do you need? Cheese?
Cheese. Got them all on the tray, it's time to put them in the oven. The oven can get a little hot, so don't forget your mittens. Hey guys, so they're finished, they're out of the oven, and we're going, as usual, we're going to taste them. Well, there's one more plate, so I'm gonna call Aiden. Aiden!
I got my hot sauce.
Why would you? Ew! Okay, so now we're gonna taste.
When did you make these?
Like, oh, you were somewhere else.
Okay. Love goofy dogs. It's good. You cooked them good, very good. How'd you put them in the oven?
How do you know how to put them in the oven?
I don't know. You put like hot sauce.
I don't know. It's Tabasco sauce.
Tabasco. I give it 2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up too.
Yeah. The cheese is good.
Like it.
Or like a hot dog.
Because when this cheese is melted, it's good. It's very good.
Well, where did you learn how to make these?
K4.
K4. Well, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell,
Hit the bell.
turn on those notifications, and make sure you go follow Instagram. And we'll see you guys next time on
NA Life.